Alright, everybody, you don't know, so this is the skiller, right? Now, I don't know what to say, but I always have a fear if I go too far in the ocean when I'm there at any beach I swim. Now, I get to understand, say, some tourists take a boat and go lick tip out in the waters and spotted some killer whale at Mobile Beach, Montego Bay. See it? Take a look and tell me what you think.
Killer whale, yeah.
Hey, right here. Right here.
Oh my goodness.
Dude.
Mark, do you see
Yes,
that?
let's see it. It's amazing.
Oh, go get him.
It looks like it's
Oh!
moving, man. I want to jump in.
Don't jump in. Oh, geez. Hey, you're on video, Mark. Good video. Oh my goodness, it's him. Look at him. Oh! Look at him.
The craziest thing about it is that these whales always travel in a school. That means to say there's always more than one, more than 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So you know how it go if them should ever come close to the humans. Mean come close to me and you. Yeah? Anyways, if you need to know what's going on in and around the world, especially after Skilla Entertainment, you know the Montego Bay, you know the Jamaica, you have to click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla, and that was Skilla's Entertainment.